Emerald Sundowns couldn't make it to the next round. Yes, even though they tried in this match, they threw everything at Florenese. You understand? They tried a lot to score at least one goal, but they couldn't. But kudos to them. At least they tried, but they couldn't. I think all the African clubs are all gone. Oh. No African club is still remaining in this tournament. You understand? So I think they are Emerald Sundowns. We are the only African team that we are hoping that can be able to at least go a little bit further to get something. But quite unfortunate for them, they tried. Yes, that group was a difficult one. Yes, so they couldn't make it.